अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वल आक़िबतु लिल मुत्तक़ीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला नबिय्यिल करीम। अम्मा बाद, Honorable the President of the program, respected elders, teachers and dear friends, I feel very happy to stand and speak something in your presence. Today, the topic of my talk is an ideal student. Dear comrades, an ideal student is one who is sensible to his goal. An ideal student is the one who lives in accordance with the rules of conduct and discipline. He paves the way from the younger generation. The students of today are the leaders of tomorrow. A nation can progress if the students have high ideals before them. A student who scores high marks is not necessarily an ideal student. He may set a new record in the school, but can prove to be a total failure in his real life. An ideal student is the one should be an embodiment of simple living and an ideal student should be an embodiment of simple living and high thinking. He must be fearless and bold enough to face the trials and tribulations of life. Dear friends, an ideal student is the one who lives in accordance with the rules of conduct and discipline. An ideal student is the one who has good character. This is the time of life when the foundation of character is laid. It has aptly been said that wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. And if the character is lost, everything is lost. A student without any sense of discipline is like a ship without a rudder. It sails adrift and never reaches the harbor. He must follow the rules of the school and out to obey the orders of his teacher to be successful. He should select his friend intelligently and wisely. He must be fully mindful to ensure that no evil tempers him. He must keep himself away from the ones who don't care the morals, character, discipline, the teacher, even their future life. Dear audience, our country, especially our society, needs a student who have muscles of iron and nerves of steel. Such a student alone can help the nation, society and the whole world in achieving prosperity and all-round development. Here I conclude my speech with Urdu poetry. हद से बड़े जो इल्म तो है जाल दोस्तों, सब कुछ जो जानते हैं वो कुछ जानते नहीं। वमा अलैना इल्लल बलाग।